Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. First of all, what you're referring to as the family reunification parole is very rarely used. And the first thing immigration is going to wonder is, by doing that, what's the real reason for inadmissibility? Okay, it can't be just for the visa number to become current, because honestly, for an LPR to petition a spouse, it's just not taking that long. It's not taking anywhere as long as it used to. It used to take many years, and then for a while, everything on every different country was current. So what is the real reason? Are there crimes that have occurred? Is there a deportation? Is there multiple illegal re-entries? Was there a fraudulent entrance? Are you the spouse? Have you committed a crime making you possibly subject to having to do the Walsh waiver? It goes on with reasons, but that's what they're going to think. They think everybody who submits anything at immigration is lying. And the only reason you would want such a thing, rather than just going through normal consulate processing, is because there's some other reason that your spouse can't get here. So I would need to know that. I would need to know, let's assume nothing's wrong and you really just want to be with your spouse. Well, I would want to know why you don't just do consulate processing, because in order to do a parole visa, that takes time as well. And that's not going to be expedited unless, for example, you need to have your liver replaced or some severe medical reason. So or severe business reason, which that's not going to exist for, by your spouse having to come into the country. So instead of looking for other ways to try to get your spouse here through some unrealistic visa that, to be honest with you, is not going to happen, you need to have somebody look more deeply as to why you're separated in the first place and why you don't just move forward and do regular consulate processing, because all in all, if that goes through smoothly, it won't be terribly longer before your spouse would be here. Now, the only exception would be if the consulate was backlogged for years and years and years and the visa number was current. Okay, in that case, you would have a chance at doing a parole visa. Okay.